Hey there, homeowners. Let's talk electrical safety. It's a topic that often gets overlooked, but it's one of the most important aspects of maintaining a safe and secure home. Whether you're a new homeowner or have been living in your house for years, understanding the basics of electrical safety can save you from potential hazards and costly repairs. It's not glamorous, but it's crucial. Electrical safety might not be the most exciting topic, but it's one that can make a huge difference in your daily life. Imagine the inconvenience of a power outage or the danger of an electrical fire. These are scenarios that can be prevented with a little knowledge and the right precautions. We're talking about those little boxes in your basement or garage, your circuit breakers. These unassuming devices are the first line of defense against electrical mishaps. They might look simple, but they play a vital role in keeping your home safe. Every time you flip a switch or plug in an appliance, your circuit breakers are there, working silently in the background. They're like the silent guardians of your home, protecting you from electrical dangers. Think of them as the unsung heroes who ensure that your electrical system runs smoothly. Without them, the risk of electrical shocks, fires, and damage to your appliances would be significantly higher. It's their job to monitor the flow of electricity and step in when something goes wrong. Think of your electrical system like a network of roads, and electricity is the traffic flowing through. Just like traffic needs to be regulated to prevent accidents, the flow of electricity needs to be controlled to avoid overloads and short circuits. Your circuit breakers are the traffic lights and stop signs of this network, ensuring that everything moves smoothly and safely. Sometimes there's a traffic jam, a surge of electricity. This can happen for various reasons, such as a lightning strike, a sudden increase in power demand, or a fault in the electrical system. When this occurs, the surge can cause significant damage to your electrical appliances and even pose a fire risk. That's where circuit breakers come in. They detect the surge and immediately cut off the flow of electricity, preventing any potential damage. It's like having a vigilant security guard who is always on the lookout for trouble and ready to take action at a moment's notice. They're like traffic cops, ready to shut things down if things get out of control. Just as a police officer would stop traffic to prevent an accident, circuit breakers stop the flow of electricity to prevent overloads and short circuits. This quick response is crucial in maintaining the safety and integrity of your home's electrical system. Without circuit breakers, electrical problems could turn into disasters. Imagine the chaos of a major traffic accident. That's what could happen to your electrical system without these protective devices. Overloaded circuits can cause wires to overheat, leading to potential fires and severe damage to your home. Overloads could fry your appliances, rendering them useless and costing you a fortune in replacements. It's not just about the inconvenience, it's about the safety of your home and family. Electrical fires can start in an instant, and the consequences can be devastating. And short circuits could even start fires. Nobody wants that. The thought of losing your home, or worse, endangering your loved ones is a nightmare scenario. That's why it's so important to ensure that your circuit breakers are in good working order and that you understand how they function. So let's dive in and learn more about these unsung heroes of home safety. By understanding how circuit breakers work and how to maintain them, you can take proactive steps to protect your home. Stay tuned as we explore the ins and outs of these essential devices and discover how you can keep your electrical system running smoothly and safely. In simplest terms, a circuit breaker is a safety switch. It's designed to automatically disconnect the flow of electricity in a circuit when it detects a fault. Think of it as a bodyguard for your wiring. There are different types of circuit breakers, each with its own specialty. But they all have one common goal: to protect you and your home from electrical hazards. They prevent overloads, which happen when you plug in too many things at once, and they stop short circuits, which are dangerous direct contacts between live and neutral wires. Standard circuit breakers are the most common type found in homes. These devices are crucial for maintaining electrical safety and ensuring that your home's electrical system operates smoothly. They're designed to protect your home from electrical hazards by interrupting the flow of electricity when a fault is detected. They're like the general practitioners of the electrical world, handling most everyday electrical issues. Just as a doctor would diagnose and treat common ailments, standard circuit breakers manage routine electrical problems, ensuring that your home remains safe and functional. Here's how they work. Inside each breaker is a small metal strip that heats up when too much electricity flows through it. This metal strip is a critical component, acting as a sensor that detects excessive electrical current. When the current exceeds a safe level, the strip responds by heating up. If the current gets too high, the strip bends and trips the breaker, cutting off the power. This tripping mechanism is a safeguard, preventing potential damage to your electrical system and reducing the risk of electrical fires. The breaker essentially acts as a gatekeeper, ensuring that only a safe amount of electricity flows through your circuits. You'll find these standard breakers protecting most of your outlets and lighting circuits. They are strategically placed to cover various zones in your home, ensuring comprehensive protection. Each breaker is labeled to indicate the specific area or appliance it safeguards, making it easier to identify and manage electrical issues. They're essential for preventing overloads, which can happen if you, for example, run a powerful hairdryer and a space heater on the same circuit. Overloads occur when too many high-power devices draw electricity from the same circuit, exceeding its capacity. By tripping the breaker, the system prevents overheating and potential fire hazards, ensuring your home remains safe. GFCI stands for Ground Fault Circuit Interrupter. These breakers are extra sensitive, designed to protect you from electrical shocks in wet locations. Imagine this: you're blow-drying your hair in the bathroom when some water splashes on the appliance. A regular breaker might not even notice. But a GFCI breaker will detect that tiny leak of electricity to the ground, through the water, and shut off the power in milliseconds. That's why GFCI protection is code required in bathrooms, kitchens, garages, and outdoor outlets. They're your best defense against potentially fatal electrical shocks. Section 5. AFCI Breakers, Preventing Electrical Fires. AFCI stands for Arc Fault Circuit Interrupter. These high-tech breakers are designed to prevent electrical fires. Electrical arcs are dangerous sparks that can happen in wiring. They're more likely in older homes, or if wires are damaged. These arcs generate intense heat and can easily ignite nearby flammable materials. AFCI breakers detect these dangerous arcs and shut off the power before a fire can start. They're now required in most areas of new homes and are a smart upgrade for older homes as well. Remember folks, electricity is nothing to mess around with. It's a powerful force that can cause serious injury or even death if not handled properly. That's why it's crucial to know when to call in a professional. While it's good to understand the basics of circuit breakers and how to reset them, leave the heavy lifting to the pros. They have the training and experience to handle complex electrical issues safely and efficiently. Here are some sure signs you need to call a licensed electrician. First, if you notice your circuit breakers frequently tripping, this could indicate an overloaded circuit or a more serious electrical problem that needs professional attention. Frequently tripping breakers can be more than just a nuisance. It might be a sign that your electrical system is being pushed beyond its limits, which can lead to overheating and potentially cause a fire. An electrician can assess the situation and recommend solutions, such as upgrading your electrical panel or redistributing the load across different circuits. Another red flag is burning smells from outlets or switches. This is a serious warning sign of a potential fire hazard. If you ever smell something burning, turn off the power at the main breaker and call an electrician immediately. They can identify the source of the problem and fix it before it becomes a major issue. Discolored or warm outlets are also signs of electrical overheating. This can happen when the wiring inside the outlet is damaged or the outlet is overloaded. An electrician can replace the outlet and check the wiring to ensure everything is safe and up to code. Flickering lights that aren't caused by a loose bulb can be another indication of a wiring issue. This could be due to loose connections, frayed wires, or even problems with the electrical panel. An electrician can diagnose the problem and make the necessary repairs to keep your home safe. Don't try to fix these problems yourself. DIY electrical work can be extremely dangerous and may even be illegal in some areas. Always call a qualified electrician to handle any electrical issues in your home. Call a qualified electrician to diagnose and repair any electrical issues safely. They have the right tools, knowledge, and experience to ensure the job is done correctly and safely, giving you peace of mind and protecting your home from potential hazards. So which breaker is right for which location? Here's a quick rundown. Standard breakers, good for general use in bedrooms, living rooms, hallways. GFCI breakers, a must-have for bathrooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, garages, outdoor outlets, and anywhere near water. AFCI breakers, ideal for all living areas, especially bedrooms, to prevent electrical fires. Remember, this is just a general guide. Consult with a qualified electrician to determine the best type of protection for your specific needs. I get it, you're handy homeowners. You like to tackle projects yourself, but when it comes to electrical work, I'm putting my foot down. This is not the place for DIY. Electricity is dangerous. Mistakes can lead to shocks, fires, or even death. Leave the electrical work to the licensed professionals. They have the training, experience, and knowledge to do the job safely and correctly. Save yourself the risk and the headache. Call an electrician. There you have it, your crash course in circuit breakers. Remember, these little devices are your first line of defense against electrical hazards. Understanding how they work and where to use them can make a big difference in keeping your home and family safe. And when in doubt, call a licensed electrician. Stay safe, everyone.